Okay, we're going to be looking at PowerPoint Skills 2.6 and 2.7. Your code word for these lessons is going to be SWING, S-W-I-N-G. We're going to look at adding tables and charts to your presentation. To do that, let's go ahead. I'm going to go back to the Home tab. I'm going to add a new slide. I'm just going to add a blank slide down there at the bottom. And then I'm going to the Insert tab. Click on the Table button over here, and you can select your data for your table, or your size of your table. And in here I can say team, and then donations. Team Apple got 1,000. Team Pear got 500. Team Banana got 750. You can fill in whatever you want there. Again, you can select your table, and you can change the styles of your table to whatever you like better. And that's adding a table to it. There's all the different things. You've seen tables in Word. You've seen them certainly in Excel. All the stuff that you can do to a table there, you can do in your PowerPoint presentation as well. For adding a chart, the same thing. We can go to Insert. Charts are a little different. If I click on Chart, I'll select the type of chart I want. Maybe it's 3D like this. Click on it, hit OK. It's going to put a chart in there, and it's going to pull up side by side. It's going to pull up an Excel spreadsheet that we're going to use to determine what our chart will look like. And to set our chart, we can determine how many values. It says Series 1, 2, 3, Category 1, 2, 3, 4. We can resize that to match what we want. Maybe we only want one series if we're going to stick with the teams and the donations, and we only have 3 teams. So we come here, we name it. Instead of Series 1, let's change it to dollars. Instead of Category 1, we'll change it to Apple, and the amount is 1,000. Category 2, we'll change to Pear, and the amount is 500. Category 3 is Banana, and the amount is 750. And then we put all those in there. You don't have to save this. It's already saving it to this chart. Once I've selected the range, which is you can see with that blue line there, and put in the values I want, then I can go ahead and close this, and we'll see there's my chart. It's kind of overlaying my table that I created. So I'm going to go here and resize it down below my table, and there you can see I've added a chart that matches up my table. That's charts and tables in PowerPoint. Use those definitely to give the graphical visual that will help your audience better see what you're explaining to them in your presentations.